I hope your wife has slept.
Yes. Any problem?
No, of course not. And you know that the problem is not a problem if there's a solution in sight.
Oh, yes.
Good. See, I'll go straight to the point, okay? I'd like to belong with you. I'd like you to tell me in confidence where you belong. I'd like to belong there too.
Charles Okafor is one of the veteran Nollywood actors who can never be forgotten in the Nigerian movie industry because of his acting skills and passion. So today, we are going to be discussing the reasons why he quit acting. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video. Nollywood actor Charles Okafor has not been active in Nollywood movies for some years now, although he featured in 2017 exclusive gospel movie titled Idohosa. The movie was an evangelical movie, and since then, Charles Okafor has not appeared in any Nollywood notable movies. Charles Izuchukwu Okafor, born on 23 July 1970, is a veteran Nollywood actor, director, producer and entrepreneur. He hails from Umatolu village of Ivite, Umuleri in Anambra State, Nigeria. Charles Okafor shot to limelight in the Nollywood blockbuster occultic movie titled The End of the Wicked, shot in 1999. Since then, he has featured in over 100 Nollywood movies alongside with top-rated actors and actresses such as Pete Edochie, Nkemowo, Kanayo Kanayo, Clems Ohaneze, Patience Ozokwo, and many others. Charles Okafor has acquitted himself in mainstream national and international advocacy and feature filmmaking. A pioneer Nollywood star actor, he brings refreshing insight, experience, and professionalism to the creative art. According to Charles Okafor's interview published by NigerGist.com on 22nd December 2013, the veteran actor stated that he has been lying low because he diverted into advocacy as a consequence of his newfound faith, which is being a born-again Christian. In the interview, he said that he is now a renowned evangelist for Christ and will only act movies that will give glory to God. Mr. Charles Okafor recently became the first African filmmaker to execute an advocacy film project on the menace of irregular immigration in Bern, capital of Switzerland, in 2017. Actor Charles Okafor is hale and hearty, living life to the fullest. He is the current CEO of C&E Productions Company, a company that focuses on film and documentary productions, mass communication, sensitization, and audiovisual advocacy campaigns. The last movie actor Charles Okafor featured in was Idahosa, an exclusive gospel entertainment Nollywood movie, which was produced on the 27th of October 2017. The movie featured some notable actors and actresses within and outside Nigeria. In 2011, Charles Okafor was honored by the Nigerian federal government as a member of the Order of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, MFR, which happened to be the highest honor and award given to a celebrity in Nigeria who has contributed immensely to the economic growth and development of the country through entertainment. On July 23, 2020, Charles Okafor celebrated his 50th birthday in grand style with his family and friends present. On 22nd of November 2018, Charles Okafor was one of the guests at the farewell dinner in honor of Joel Habachon, outgoing executive director, Total Nigeria. Charles Okafor works and lives in Lagos, Nigeria with his family. He looks more handsome and healthier now than before. Check out his recent pictures and see what God has done upon his life.
Greatest thing in all my life is serving you. The greatest thing in all my life is serving you. I want to serve you, Lord. I want to serve you, Lord. The greatest thing in all my life is serving A man walked the streets of old Benin, had nothing. He was mocked, he was derided, he was looked down upon. People spoke about him condescendingly. His friends deserted him because he had material absences. There was absolutely nothing to his name. But somewhere in the decrepit part of Ajegunle in Lagos, a couple, stark illiterate parents, gave birth to a small boy. They were also condescendingly looked upon. And whilst that was going on in Ajegunle, Lagos, this man walked the streets of old Benin with just one thing, and that was the word. Many years down the line, the Lord brought nations of the world into his hands. And each time he spoke, he commanded presidents, he commanded multinational institutions at the feet of him that gave him power. Before he translated 20 years ago, he had become a very signature for Pentecostal righteousness. Ladies and gentlemen, that small boy in Ajegunle was to grow to become a Nollywood star. And 20 years down the line, he was given the singular honor to reenact a man who over 40 years ago walked old Benin and was looked down upon. Today, to the glory of God, that little boy born into that decrepit part of Ajegunle has played the most important personality in Christendom in African jurisdiction. My name is Charles Okafor, and I am your reenacted Benson Idahosa. God bless you. My bishop, I salute you.
As you can see, God has been so good to Mr. Charles Okafor. Say the truth. Are you missing his Nollywood movies? Drop your opinion in the comment section about the movie you love so much about him. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZI. I am always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.